and welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 3rd to the 7th of November 2025 on Monday. Zama gives Banele an ultimatum. Meanwhile, Mambele encourages Mbali to turn over a new leaf and embrace a new love on Tuesday. Makhumalo gives Banele a desperate ultimatum. Mbali put the brakes on with Mandla and things slows down before they can take off on Wednesday. As Makhumalo loses her grip on Banele, she's forced to take a drastic step to protect her family. Mbali finally lets go of the past and embraces a new beginning in her life. Pablo will stop at nothing to free Pinda on Thursday. Mbali confronts Mandla about the deadly truth behind his past. The Magwaza shut Banele out of the family business, forcing him to choose between blood and the woman carrying his child, Zama. And Makhumalo's feud explodes, but Zama's demand for justice could turn a family battle into a full-blown war on Friday. Banele finds himself caught between a rock and a hard place. Pinda makes his presence felt at the Dadla's expense. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.